Here's Bo.
Sniffing the ground.
He will try to attack the camera.
Camera attacking cat.
He thinks the camera's going to scratch him. So he goes after it, thinking that it's going to scratch his face.
Meow.
Hello, Bo.
Meow.
Bo. You're silly. You want to try and get it again?
No.
Try to scratch your face on the camera again, Bo.
He's like. You think that's catnip?
There's Bo. Hi, Bo.
What? He's like. Bo is gone. Bye bye, Bo.